What did I say about doing better on that test? Now you finna die, boy. What, you gonna cry? What, you gonna cry? You can't redo that test, boy. Yeah, you cry, boy. Cry, boy. What? What you finna do about it? You too weak? You too skinny, bruh? Yeah, you... How you think...
Please let me go.
How do you think I could lift you up like this,
Ow.
bruh?
Ow.
You too weak.
Ow. Ow.
Boy?
Ow. No. No.
Yeah.
Dad, I don't know how to swim.
Hey, bruh,
Please,
I ain't got no time for that.
please.
You just gonna have to get in.
Dad,
You just
no,
gonna have to
I
get in
don't
the
know.
water, gang.
Please. Please, no. No. Please. Please.
Yeah, boy. Just stay in the water. Stay in the water. Stay in the water, bruh. What? You want some what, boy? What? What? What you...
I hate you. Yeah.
Oh, what's wrong with you, kid?
Boy, why are you doing that to your father? Boy, do you want to whoop it?
Leaping outside for what you did to me, bruh.
Ow.
You're getting
Ow.
whoops.
Ow.
Yeah.
Ow.
Yeah.
Ow.
Yeah.
Ow.
Yeah.
Ow.
Yeah, boy, quiet about it, boy.
Ow. Ow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ow.
Yeah. Yeah. I wish I never had you. You're so ugly.
I'm leaving. I don't like life anymore. Bye. Do I really want this? It's too late. Where am I? Oh, I'm alive?
Hey, kid. What do you want to be when you're older?
I want to be a fighter.
Huh. Is that so? Well then, I'm gonna work you so hard. Harder than you ever worked before. Oh, really? Training with me will cause serious body changes. Are you willing to take that chance?